The recipe for today, Indian dal.
I'm using orange and green seeds. The lentil must be washed a few times and then kept in water for 30 minutes. After it becomes softer, I drain the water out. Prepare the garlic and the onion. Clean them, cut them. Preparing the frying pan. Adding some oil. Adding the garlic and the onion. Frying them. Adding coriander. Adding turmeric. Adding curry. Adding a little bit more of each of them. Adding the lentil. Adding some spices and mixing all the time. After a few minutes, when the lentil becomes softer, I will add some water. For 1 cup of dal, I am using 3 cups of water. I don't want the dal to be like a soup, I want it more creamy. I keep adding the same ingredients, which is coriander, turmeric, and curry. Now I add some salt, a little bit more of turmeric. Mix, mix, mix. Now I cut 1 spicy pepper. Together with tomatoes, I will make a dressing for the dal. The juice of the tomatoes, I squeeze it in the dal, leaving the tomatoes dry. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Cutting the tomatoes. Almost finished. Adding water according to your taste, if you want it creamy or if you want it juicy. I want it creamy. The dal is done, now I'm frying the tomato and the pepper and I'm boiling the water for the rice. I'm also preparing some fresh parsley for the rice. The water is boiling, so I'm adding the bag of rice. Today I'm using Thai rice. The dressing for the dal is done. The rice is done. Now I drain the rice. I'm adding the dal in the middle and the dressing on top. When eating it, I will mix all together because the rice has a flat taste, while the dal is very salty and flavored. I add the fresh parsley and that's it.
This is my version of Indian dal. Now I go to eat because I'm hungry. I hope you like it.